guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to drag files in Windows 11. So if you didn't know, you can do the drag and drop function in Windows 11. What you cannot do is drag a file and drop it in the taskbar like this. It will not allow you to do that, but you can drag and drop the file in other windows. So what you can do is, I'm going to open the other windows. So you can do for example, I want to drop the file into my Google Drive like this. You can just drag this file and drop it like so, and it will be uploading like this. Or you can also open the file in another window or tab in your browser. So just drag this and enter, and it will be automatically downloaded. But if you drag a picture, you can open it in your browser like so. Okay, so that is how you can do the drag and drop in Windows 11. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe for more contents. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye guys.